What's going on, everybody? I'm gonna go over some quick indicators that I use, give a brief description on. Oh, my bad, y'all. Give a brief description on it, what indicators I use. In this example, we're gonna be looking at Facebook, and I'm gonna use the hour chart. As a matter of fact, let's do a currency pair. We're going to do Euro NZD. I'm gonna already have a chart marked up on. All right. So right here, if you're not familiar with TradingView, this is TradingView. Excuse me. This is TradingView, which I feel like is the best platform to mark your charts up on. If you know anything better, comment below and let me know what you're using. But right here is your drawing panel, you got all your basic settings and stuff like that. You go where you're gonna find all your tools, like your trend lines, your arrows, vertical lines, stuff like that, your Fibonacci stuff, your paintbrush, rectangles, all that type stuff, text. You want to draw your head and shoulders, Elliott wave, stuff like that. But I got all the tools I pretty much use just right here. And then we go right here to this indicators. All right, so first we're gonna start out with the moving average. What this represents, what you can see in this line, this blue line, what this represents is the average of each candle. And I'm gonna explain it to you. So say right here, if we put 50, and the 50 moving average is good to use for support and resistance to go along with whatever else you got going on the chart. So now you can see right now this blue line represents the average move of 50 hours, because this is the hour chart right here. So this represents, each candle represents 1 hour. So this line represents the average of 50 moves. And a quick little strategy with that is you could put on 2 moving averages. I personally like to use the 8 or the 9 is cool. But I like to use the 8 and the 50. We're gonna change the color. We'll make the 50 red. All right. And see right here, what you want to see is crosses. You want to see the moving averages cross each other. That's an indication of a sell or a buy. And I'm gonna show you an example of both. Right here, see that cross? The red crossed over the blue crossed over the red. The blue represents our 8. The red represents our 50. You see it's crossing down. What happens? Sell. Let me zoom out a little bit so you can see more examples of it. I look right here. The blue crosses over the red right here. Strong sell. Strong sell. And if you look right here, that's why I was saying how you can use the 50 moving average as support and resistance. Because look right here, see how price wick and respected its moving average and still went down. So you would know to get out of a trade when you see price starting to move up this way. Well, first of all, this wick right here would let you know, all right, price about to reverse right there. But beyond that, once you see price start to move up and you see that crossbar to happen, now you know it's time to exit that sell into a buy. Look what happened on this cross. Look, come right back. See it respect this 50 moving average and reject it, come right back down. And this is a quick run through of moving averages right quick. Comment below, let me know what moving averages that you use. I know some people like to use the 200, Some people like to use 100, the 50, the 20. Let me know what moving averages you like to use. All right, then right here we're gonna go over the parabolic SAR. This is very simple indicator. All it is a dot will form to show direction of price. So in this example right here, you see how price went up. That indicates a buy. Once you've seen a dot crossover on the top, that's how you know a reversal happening. And it's a little delayed indicator. It's the thing about indicators, most of them are delayed. That's why price action is king, because price action going to tell you what price is doing at that very moment. These indicators are delayed because this wick right here, you see this doji candle right here, would have let you know that a reversal was coming. But this parabolic SAR didn't form till this candle right here, or probably form about this candle right here. But still, it's an indication of this sale that's going on right now. So that's very simple to use. Nothing too hard, nothing too hard. Then we had the RSI right here, which is a relative strength indicator. And this shows divergence, which is reversal patterns in the market. And then what you can do here, if you're new to this is the way I would do it if I was you. You just draw a horizontal line right here at your 50. Draw a horizontal line right here at your 30. Then draw a horizontal line right here at your 80. Then I'm gonna show you some examples of how we use this. Right here, perfect example. When you see price below, this 30 range, look to buy. That means price is oversold. That means it's oversold. That means sellers, they're running out of steam. They're running out of energy. Look at it like a person doing a marathon race, a person running. They running. Now they done ran out of steam. So now, and then to confirm that, look what we got here, a reversal doji. So boom, that would be a great time to look to enter the market for that buy. And then you can ride that up all the way, look. Then look right here, you see what happens. It's now when it hits that 80, or you can use this 70 for real. Yeah, matter of fact, we're gonna make this that 70. You see it's over that 70, what happened? Price reverse. So that's an easy way to see divergence, which is reversal of price in the market. I'm gonna close this out. What I got next for you? The stochastic, and this works the same as the RSI. I like to use them together, but I'll do a separate video on how I set up my indicators on my phone. I use all my indicators on my phone for real, and I just use price action, support and resistance, Fibonacci, and key levels when I mark up my charts like this on TradingView. Excuse me. All right, so right here, the same as the RSI. The only difference is on the buy, you're looking for the blue line to be on top. On the sell, you're looking for the red line to be on top. So let's say like right here, perfect example. Just like with the RSI, over is oversold. I mean overbought, below is oversold. So right here, you see we got the red line crossing on top of the blue line, and it's already in our oversold zone. So we know we're looking for sales. And then if you look, pay attention to how the market was just moving, you see right here. You see right here. Look what's going on. That doja candle came. That's when that cross starting to happen. You see the blue crossing over on top. Boom, you could have rolled that all the way up into that buy. And then you seen it cross on top. Now you know to go for that sell. And let's see how many pips that would have been real quick. From here to here. Mean 129 pips. That'd have been a nice play. So that's how that worked. It worked the same as RSI. All right. What else I use? That's pretty much all the indicators that I use for real. Oh, do you have this right here? I'm still playing around with this, but it's accumulation and distribution. And basically, whichever direction that the beginning of this is pointing shows you who has the market. So if it's pointing down, you see the sellers have the market. If it's pointing up, the buyers have the market. But I still not 100% on this. I mean, because I've developed my own system to where I don't even really need this. But that's something I was just messing around with. And this right here is an indicator exclusive to a company that I'm partnered with outside of my own personal course that I have. So if you want information on that, DM me and I can send you a video explaining that, how that works, and how you can access it. So I hope that answers y'all questions. And matter of fact, let's just go ahead and mark this chart up real quick as an extra bonus for you watching the whole video. Share this video with somebody, subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of content coming very, very soon. 2021 gonna be a very, very powerful year. We're gonna change a lot of lives. So like right now, it's really a range in market. I mean, it's moving sideways. No real trend right now. So boom. First thing we want to do is trap price. Don't let price trap us. So we put it in the price zone. Drop down to our 4 hour. Switch our line chart. Then what we do? Look for our support and resistance key levels. And it's gonna be our roadmap. So we trap price and on the daily to see the direction, and then we drop down to the 4 hour and trap price in smaller zones. So we can have targets to know where price is going. And the reason we marking these zones because it becomes support and resistance. And if you're watching this, you don't even have a clue what that is, definitely get with me and I can definitely help you understand this market and understand these charts. But I want to congratulate you for even watching this video and being curious. So congratulate yourself for taking the first step into making a real life-changing decision. We trap these markets out for real. I would have never thought in a million years in my life that I'd be into trading and stocks and stuff like that. I got expelled from school in this 11th grade. But that's a story for another time. But moral of the story, man, don't never count yourself out. Don't never put yourself in the box. Don't never limit yourself. And like the wise Bruce Lee always said, man, be like water. Be able to adapt. Never be content. Yeah, I love motivation while I'm marking these zones up. I also want to run a giveaway for my channel. Let me know in the comment section below, what giveaway should I do? Should I do a Bitcoin giveaway? Should I fund somebody's trading account? Maybe $50 or something? What y'all think I should do? What would be a sufficient giveaway? I definitely want to reward my followers, the people who keep up with me. Y'all keep me motivated. I wouldn't be where I'm at without y'all. For real, y'all keep me pushing. Shout out to my students, man. I'm loving the progress. Y'all keeping me motivated. So right now, so we just pretty much looking for price to make a breakout. We know that we're in the overall ranging market. So right now, we're gonna put the vertical line right here to know this the hour that we mark the chart up on. Reset it. Get a good view of what's going on. So at the right now, price is gonna either, it's the move that I see when I just first look at it. Hold on. Something like that. Cause that green line is our parallel channel that we trap price in. So it's definitely gonna come test that. And then you can see we got a zone right up under it. So it can either do that and bounce, it could respect that price and come back, or it can break this. Then we're gonna wait for that retest and then be looking for price to go down to the next zone. Or it can retrace all the way up. Boom, hit that and come back down. Or it's gonna respect, or it's gonna break through here, retest that, and go back up. Boom, that's it, man. Euro NZD. If you follow me on social media, matter of fact, add me on Facebook. Add me on Facebook right here. Add me on Instagram. You can follow me here at D2R at D2RFX, or here go my main page at D2R Golden Child. But I'm on my Facebook page, I'm gonna post this chat. I'm gonna post this markup, and we're gonna see what's going on with it. I'm gonna drop this video and this a screenshot of this. Let me say screenshot this right now. All right, man. Much love, peace, and prosperity, y'all, man. Y'all be blessed. Gone.